Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now you just need to go and register to the application, but if you have struggled with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos on that. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We, as you can see, have in the top left corner, we have the address in the search bar, and we have 4 tabs down here. We have the home tab, the shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on Foodpanda. Well, it is pretty simple. Basically what you need to do guys is go and firstly put something in your cart. So basically you just need to go and find some of the foods. For instance, let's click on pizza. Then I'll be clicking on, let's say, Pizza Hut. And here you can go and put something in your cart by clicking on the plus button here. So as you can see, we have the plus button. Just click on that button and it will appear in your cart. But for some reason, you do not want to buy that. So you want to cancel the order. You don't want to buy that anymore. What you need to do, guys, is go and click on the top right corner of your screen, which is the cart, where you will have the order that you wanted. Here, you just need to go and click on the order, cancel it, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.